Hello everybody. Today I am installing this can crusher. It's called an Easy Pull. I just got it from my local hardware store. I'm using, I think those are 2.5 inch screws with a square, take a square bit. But yeah, I had to use this extension just to get around, make sure that I had enough room. And I love that extension. It's like a 12-inch extension, and I use that thing all the time. But pretty self-explanatory. Find the studs in the wall and screw it to it. And I just poked a few holes in the bottom of the can so that it doesn't, in case there's any fluid or whatever, it can just drain out the bottom. It doesn't get built up in the bottom. So great at crushing cans, as you can see. It did a whole bunch here. The only thing that, and you might have seen it there, but I'm just slowing it down here so I can show you these taller cans. This one doesn't work well with the taller cans, anything that's outside of regulation. So basically all I do is just bend it a little bit like that, and I crush it. There you go. And I got another one here just to see. Just bend it down in there and hold it in and crush it. It works pretty well, but got the lid there and just keep it off to the side, so if I want to cover it I can. Alright, have a great one.